So silly.
What is it? 4. What time is it? This is my last hand, boys and girls.
This is it. Last hand for Bill.
They're like, oh, he was raising no matter what.
We're going to owe you 2K, and then we'll
Just
settle
gives you
it
lots of
afterwards.
time,
Last hand. Uh-oh. Wait, we might have a back.
Someone will pay on our,
Yeah, yeah.
y'all's.
I'll just leave the chips here.
I'll take care of it.
He'll take care of it. Doug is in charge of my...
Hands with the pocket tens.
I
In
appreciate
fact, there's only one person.
17.
17?
Got the fucking net game wrong.
You didn't even ask for a discount.
Back over to Alex, the British Bulldog.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Oh, Jesus.
That's true.
Yeah, sorry.
Lays it down.
No, I mean, it's obvious you're folding. You're never calling after.
I was not going to
moaning
call. I
and
was not going to
such.
call.
20.
40.
There's the raise from Bill.
Fucking amazing. Can we title this YouTube clip of Bill's hands, Bill's got a plane to catch?
We'll go to the turn. 117,000 in the pot.
Okay.
Check mark for hands.
$40.
40,000.
The defense is just incredible.
Dude, defensive player of the year.
Oh my
Bill
Honestly, it
goes
doesn't
all
really
in.
matter. I have a plane to catch, and that's more important because my wife will be fucking pissed. So whatever happens, happens.
What?
All right, I'll take care of it.
Okay, got you. Thanks. See you.
Bill is leaving after going all in.
Thank you.
Should I give him a discount or no?
Can't do it whatever Doug says. Doug can do whatever. I don't know. Doug can do whatever.
I'll get your number from Doug.
I'm gonna just let that stand.
Okay, guys. All right. Thanks.
I don't feel comfortable offering a discount on whatever the hell happened over here.
Oh,
But
Bill left the building.
I'll get you the contact.
Has a plane to catch.
Anyway, bet stands. I'm not offering a discount on whatever the hell.
I think 1K off.
1K off? You want 1K back? All right. I'll tell you what. You can get 1K back on this, so it's 1K off. That's a good point, Dan.
And Hands is left with a decision.
For this call, we'll
You
pass
can't get a
hat
readout.
around.
However, that 1K has to be in $5 chips. So we're gonna go get you 2 racks of red, and you gotta play with it for the rest of the session. 1K discount.
Just good marketing.
Are you kidding me? That was a hell of a performance. Like, you leave on this note?
I can't believe you resisted temptation not to have a look.
I don't want to.
It's gonna be a good thumbnail.
This is scary.
Well, like, what if he tries to counter negotiate? I know the cards. I don't want that.
Yeah, it's for the best.
We
yeah.
have to just leave it.
2 racks of red back.
But regardless of outcome, I think we have to see. We have to see it after the hand.
Well, we
Hans
can see
doesn't know what to
might as well see
think.
now, too.
Yeah.
I will turn it over regardless of action here because it's going to eventually be.
Yeah.
Also, because it'd be funny.
Yeah, that's the main point.
Wow.
Wow.
When you said, I mean, yeah, this is.
It's hard to get a read on that guy, huh?
Yeah.
He doesn't look nervous.
What are you thinking? I mean, you don't have to worry about any tells here.
Yeah, you can
What
show
do you have?
You can show everyone
What do
what
you
you
guys
have.
Yeah, you can.
All right.
Okay, that's easy.
Hands shows everybody what he has.
Imagine if he was slow rolling.
Good night.
He's like 4 6s. That would be the best roll of history.
Bill is watching in chat right now on the delay. He does not know what
It's hard
happened.
to think of that in the moment, though, but it'd be so good.
Had to catch an airplane.
Calls the clock.
I'm good.
Goes all in and leaves the building.
Am I able to use these, Miranda?
I'm okay, thanks, Sam.
Actually, okay, right?
You're allergic to peanuts?
Just went to the bathroom.
Trina. Which ones are the Trina? Oh, everything but peanuts.
Oh, this hand. Oh, it's a big hand.
Peanuts at Lagoon.
There's a big one. Big hand.
That small raise on the flop did seem like maybe top pair or something.
What was the turn action?
And I do have 200K back.
Check, check.
Yeah.
Turn was check, check.
You need a trigger K for a reload right now.
Yeah.
That would change the negotiations.
What's up?
We have to renegotiate.
Yeah, you need 1.5K.
Bill Perkins in chat says, so suspenseful.
So worst case, you have 200K and $10.
Never seen anything like this, folks.
He gets 1K back.
In red
If he calls these wrong, he gets 1K back. And two extra red. And it'll live on for the rest of the stream.
I think I might go with it.
I am not envious of the position that you're in right now.
Yeah, one more minute.
Doug, you haven't seen his hand, have you?
No. I'm actually really happy I didn't, because this would be way more tense for me if I knew his hand.
Yeah.
It is really tense.
Dude, look at this moment right now.
Yeah.
This is like up there for like all-time stream moments. He jammed 200 or 100 whatever over a river bet and just left town.
He's like in another state right now.
He's like, I don't have time for this shit. I'll see you
Hans
guys
is
later.
laughing at that comment.
Then he asked us a report. Are you going to still be running it at 3:30 a.m.?
I'll fly back to play.
I love playing poker with Bill.
Lays it down! And Bill Perkins from the Austin airport.
No, that's not. That's not a
King
good
six of spades is why.
He folded.
Does
Bill-
anyone want to take bets on this card?
Holy shit.
I've got
4 or 5.
I've got
4 or
bluff.
5.
I got
4 or
bluff
5.
too.
I got bluff.
I got bluff.
It's a 4 or 5.
You got value?
4 or 5.
We can go small if you want. In one
Who wants
ten?
to bet it's a 4 or 5? Like even odds.
No, I like
500.
four. I like,
All right.
I like
You like
All right, we got
You
five.
want- you think it's a 4
We
or
got
5?
500. I have bluff. She's
I'll bet
value.
against for 2K.
You think six?
Anything except a 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Let's bet 1K.
1K.
Yeah, obviously.
All right, ready? Everyone knows?
I think
Ready?
it's the six of spades.
I guess if it's a 9, it's on.
And Bill Perkins. Something we've never seen before. I don't think we'll ever see again. A man goes all in, leaves the building,
it could be
and finds out
6 or 5 or 4.
from the Austin airport that he just won.
If he were here, he would say, "I'm jacking off."
And Hans is distraught at the bar.
Oh my God.
Oh my lord.
Oh boy. That's some balls there.
Oh. Oh
What
man.
a boss.
Oh.
Got booty.
Okay,
Doug cannot believe it.
Game's over. Right.
Drop the mic. Bill Perkins.
my 400.
We were on such the wrong wavelength than what he had.
Yeah.
It was like, is it a 6, 5, or 4?
Yeah.
Did anyone say, I think it's a jack? Holy
my God.
crap. Wow.